Tired of wrestling with your pet's toothbrush? Meet your new best friend. Reason 1. No hard toothbrushes. Just gentle, comfy finger wipes. Reason 2. Safe for pets. Alcohol-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. Reason 3. Fresh breath and clean teeth. Anytime, anywhere. Simply wipe to reduce tartar and improve oral health instantly. Vet formulated with natural ingredients like chamomile and baking soda. Textured fabric design for deeper cleaning in circular motions. Noticeable improvements in just 15 days of use. Perfect for pet owners on the go or traveling with their furry friends. Join countless happy pet owners choosing stress-free dental care. Ready for cleaner teeth and fresher breath for your pet. Grab your pack of 50 disposable wipes and see the difference today. Find the product link in the description.